Hi everyone. Today we are going to draw apple in an easy way. Here I am going to draw with the alphabet C. First you can draw an alphabet. You can draw an alphabet. And this side also you can draw C in reverse. Okay. Here you can draw upwards. Here you can draw downwards. Here you can draw two standing lines, one sleeping. Here you can draw leaves. Okay, here also you can draw one leaf. Okay. This is very simple drawing with alphabet C. Here I am drawing an outline. The black sketch pen. If you want color it, you can color. Next you can draw leaves with green sketch pen. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care everyone.